Voiceover. Welcome back to our channel, Profit from the Internet Through Freelancing. If you're new here, let me tell you, you've landed at the right place. We're all about sharing innovative and practical ways to capitalize on the digital revolution. Whether it's through freelancing, e-commerce, or leveraging tools you use every day, we've got you covered. Today we're diving deep into a tool that's probably been under your nose this whole time, the live chat function. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's get started and explore how to turn live chats into live income streams. Scene script. Have you ever wondered how you can make money from the internet using live chat functions? The world of e-commerce is expanding at an exponential rate, and with it, an array of opportunities to make money online. One such opportunity is by using live chat functions. It's a tool you've probably used many times before but never thought about its monetary potential. So how does it work? The first step is understanding the power of live chat. It's not just a customer service tool, it's a booster for sales, a connector of people, and a goldmine of opportunities. It's a platform where you interact with potential customers, understand their needs, and convert them into buyers. Now on to step 2, setting up your live chat function. Choose a platform that suits your needs. There are many out there, each with its unique features. Some offer AI chatbots for automated responses. Others provide real-time video chats. Research and choose what works best for your business model. Step 3, train yourself or your team. The art of communication is key in live chat functions. You need to understand how to engage with customers, handle objections, and guide conversations towards a sale. Step 4, integrate your live chat with your sales strategy. This isn't a standalone tool, it's a part of your sales funnel. Each chat is a chance to push a product, offer a discount, or upsell a premium service. And finally, step 5, analyze and adapt. Use the data from your chats to understand customer behavior, identify trends, and improve your approach. Remember, the digital landscape is always changing. Stay ahead by constantly learning and adapting. Now, let's summarize what we've discussed. You begin by understanding the power of live chat. It's more than a service tool, it's a sales booster and a connector of people. Then, you set up your live chat function on a platform that suits your needs. Next, you train yourself or your team to effectively communicate and guide conversations towards a sale. You then integrate your live chat with your sales strategy, using each chat as an opportunity to sell. And finally, you analyze and adapt. You use your chat data to stay ahead of trends and continually improve your approach. So there you have it. A simple yet effective way to make money from the internet using live chat functions. It's a tool that's often overlooked, but with the right approach and strategy, it can be a powerful addition to your online business. Remember, the internet is a vast sea of opportunities. You just need to know where to look and how to seize them. So go ahead, explore the potential of live chat and watch your e-commerce business thrive. And with that, we're wrapping up our deep dive into the world of live chat. It's time to take the knowledge you've gained and apply it to your own online business. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity. And with live chat, you're in a position to seize these opportunities as they come. Don't forget to click on the link in the description box below for additional resources and more in-depth information. We've compiled a comprehensive guide to help you navigate your live chat journey, and we're confident it will serve as an invaluable tool as you move forward. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. We're excited to see where live chat takes you and your e-commerce business. Remember, the world is your oyster, and with the right tools, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.